Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. Here is October 11, 2024's pre-IPO stock market update. Monzo, the UK-based online bank, is now valued at $5.9 billion following a tender offering, providing liquidity for employees. Investors such as GIC and Stepstone Group acquired additional shares. In May, Monzo raised $190 million, adding to a $425 million Series I round from March that included Alphabet's capital G and GV. Since its founding 9 years ago, Monzo has raised $1.5 billion. Monzo reported its first full year profit in 2023, with its revenues more than doubling from the previous year. The bank now serves 20% of UK adults and 6% of UK businesses. OpenAI, the AI large language model business, has partnered with Hearst, allowing its products like ChatGPT and SearchGPT to display content from over 20 magazine brands and more than 40 newspapers, including Esquire, Cosmopolitan, and Elle. This follows similar deals OpenAI struck with Condé Nast, Time, and News Corp. Hearst content in ChatGPT will include proper citations and links to the original sources. OpenAI's partnerships with media outlets, such as its deal with Time for over 100 years of archived content, reflect a growing trend in AI media collaboration. OpenAI's $157 billion valuation after a primary round that closed earlier this month. Maven Clinic, a women's and family healthcare tech company, closed a $125 million funding round, raising its valuation $1.7 billion. Since its founding in 2014, Maven has secured over $425 million in total funding and now covers 17 million lives through partnerships with major employers like Amazon, Microsoft, and AT&T. The company offers virtual care across the reproductive life cycle and plans to expand its fertility benefits and platforms with the new funds. Maven became the first U.S. women's health startup to reach unicorn status and has investors such as General Catalyst, Sequoia, and celebrities like Oprah Winfrey as investors. Following the overturn of Roe versus Wade in 2022, Maven saw a 67% increase in interest for travel and healthcare benefits. ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, launched its first AI-powered earbuds, Ola Friend, priced at $170 in China. These open-ear earbuds weigh 6.6 grams each and are available in 4 colors, allow users to interact with ByteDance's AI chatbot Daobao without using their phones. Daobao launched last year and now China's most popular Gen AI app with 47 million monthly active users powers the earbuds, enabling functions like travel assistance and language practice. ByteDance's entry into AI wearables follows its acquisition of OlaDance and reflects broader efforts by the tech giants like Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu to integrate AI into consumer gadgets. ByteDance has a $295 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 9.9% versus its December 2023 primary round. Cerebras Systems, the AI semiconductor business, is likely to delay its IPO due to U.S. National Security Review of UAE-based G42's minority investment. G42, which was contributed $65.1 billion, or 83% of Cerebras' total revenue in 2023, committed to purchase $335 million of Cerebras stock for a stake of over 5%. Cerebras reported a revenue surge to $136 million in the first half of 2024, up from $8.7 million in the same period last year. That's a lot of growth. CFIUS, which is the U.S. regulatory group that reviews foreign acquisitions of U.S. companies, is currently reviewing the investment due to concerns about foreign influence in U.S. AI chip market, delaying Cerebras' planned stock market debut. Target IPO valuation has not yet been disclosed. Sierra, the AI app company that was co-founded by OpenAI chairman Brett Taylor, is in talks to raise hundreds of millions of dollars at a valuation exceeding $4 billion, more than tripling its value since a January deal. The AI-focused startup, which has already raised $110 million, targets corporate clients with AI-driven solutions for customer service. The new funding round was led by Green Oaks Capital. I believe there are 3 sub-asset classes for AI. One is AI picks and shovels, that's like Grok, Databricks, and Hugging Face. 2 is AI platforms, that's like OpenAI, XAI, Anthropic, Lambda, and Google Gemini. And then 3rd is AI apps. Sierra falls into the AI app category. Numeric, an AI-powered accounting software company, has seen its revenue grow 4-fold in the past year, reaching single-digit millions. co-founded by Parker Gilbert in 2020 to streamline the error-prone and time-consuming month-end book closing process. Numeric is now used by companies like Brex, OpenAI, and Plaid. The startup recently raised $28 million Series A led by Menlo Ventures, just 5 months after a $10 million seed round. Numeric automates tasks and shaves days off of the company's monthly book closing process. The company competes with Blackline and FlowClast, which was valued at $1.6 billion in April. All right, let's look at pre-IPO stock performance as of October 7, 2024. Up this week, Plaid's up 15.3%, Deal's up 11.1%, Grok's up 5.8%, Revolut's up 3.2%, and CoreWeave's up 1.7%. Down this week, we got Ramp's down 19.6%, Databricks down 5.9%, Discord's down 3.7%, Neuralink's down 2.7%, and Stripe's down 1.9%. Top valuations, ByteDance is at $295 billion, SpaceX $228 billion, OpenAI is at $157 billion, Stripe's at $84 billion, and Revolut's at $45 billion. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current valuation, revenue multiples, and performance data delivered to your inbox. All right, let's look at performance for the AG Dillon Pre-IPO Stock Vintage Index as of October 7, 2024. The 2024 Vintage Index top contributor since inception, that's Revolut's up 201%, Rippling's up 116%, Anduril's up 80%, OpenAI's up 56%, Klarna's up 40%. The 2024 Vintage Index is up 63% since its inception, or year-to-date 2024. It's a lot of growth in just year-to-date numbers. There are no detractors for the 2024 Vintage Index. Key metric averages for all Vintage Indexes 5 years old or older, 472% cumulative return since inception. 58% of that's been realized or distributed to investors. And then the hardcore VC metrics, 5.72 TVPI, 3.31 DPI, and 2.41 RVPI, 4.1 years to return the fund. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current pre-IPO stock index fact sheets, including vintage data by year from 2005. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you all next week.